Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Lakshmi Paradise channel and I'm your Harika. Today I want to share you my breakfast and lunch. Let's go. I hope all are doing well. Okay. Come, let's go. This is my breakfast, friends. Chapati with besan curry, and I'll show you what I'll prepare for the lunch also. So come guys, we'll see here how I'm preparing beetroot chutney. It's my favorite, my husband's favorite beetroot chutney. So we love it very much. So how we are going to prepare? So children and family members also, they won't eat beetroot curries and all, but beetroot chutney will be very nice. So I'll show you now how I'm preparing it. So first put the pan here and I'm adding coconut oil. I told no, I'm adding 3 to 4 spoons of coconut oil. So it's enough. So coconut oil is very good for health. So just it should heat we should heat the pan, and I am putting the beetroots here. Already I have cut the beetroots here. So beetroot is very good for health. And next I am putting chilies here. So chilies, green chilies and red chilies, as well as some red chilies also I am putting. So it should fry very nicely. So I kept coconut oil, red chilies and green chilies and beetroot. So it should fry nicely. So like this it should fry. So I told my friends, for the curries and all I'll use only the coconut oil. And today for the breakfast I did chapatis. So for the chapatis I put only the ghee. I use only the ghee. For the curries I use the coconut oil. So it should fry it nicely. We should fry it nicely. Meanwhile, beside I am doing the rasam also here. Here beetroot is on the gas here. Here I am doing the rasam also. So rasam I am doing with the olive oil. 2 to 3 spoons of olive oil. So it should heat, the oil should heat. So now I am putting garlic here. So garlic is very important. Everyone knows, but how I am preparing rasam. So I am putting the garlic here. I think rasam everyone knows. So I am putting salt also here. So I put tomatoes, jeera, mustard seeds and garlic and red chili and tamarind and tamarind. Haldi also I used, turmeric. So now I kept salt. So now I'm putting rasam powder here. So rasam everyone knows, but how I prepare it. So now I get rasam powder here. Here beetroot, once we have to check it out how the beetroot is. We have to check it. So here it's frying here. So here rasam is preparing. I'm preparing rasam. Some more I'm keeping the rasam powder. I'm putting the rasam powder here. So if you put more jeera, it will be very good for health, as well as good flavor will come. And already I have kept mustard seeds, salt also. So now the rasam is over. So I can put the coriander leaves here. So there is no curry leaves in our house. So I kept only the coriander leaves. So this is the rasam. Rasam is over. So we'll see how the beetroot is now. So we'll put the mixie and we'll prepare the beetroot chutney. Now in the mixie, everyone knows that my mixie is in the dining room. So I'm putting the beetroot here for the chutney. So I'm putting here beetroot and red chilies and the green chilies. Beetroot chutney is very good for the health. So in the chutney I am putting turmeric. So turmeric, haldi I am putting. Salt. Salt everyone knows I am using rock salt. Saindava lavanam, rock salt. And here some 5 to 6 of garlics. And here zagiri means bellam, zagiri I'm putting here, and tamarind. So tamarind also I'm putting here. So now we'll put the mixie here. So now we'll pour some water. Little bit of water is enough. So now the beetroot pickle is over. So I don't like to tempering the beetroot pickle. If anyone wants to tempering the beetroot pickle, you can tempering. Tempering means in Telugu we say talimpu. So you can put urad dal, curry leaves, mustard seeds. So as you wish. So I don't like to tempering the beetroot pickle. I like to eat like this only. So here beetroot pickle is over, and here you can see the rasam. Rasam is over. I kept the cooker also. And after full thali is over, I'll show in my plate. This is my simple thali. So rasam, beetroot pickle, rice and papad, a simple thali. So my thali is over. So my lunch preparation is over. So now I have to clean this messy kitchen. Sorry friends, I want to tell you one thing, that my rasam one clip is not there. So it is missed. So one clip it is missed. Sorry. So next time when I put the rasam, definitely I'll show you. So bye guys. So subscribe my mother's channel, Lakshmi Paradise. If you give comments, likes, so then only it will be very encouragement for us. So thank you and bye everyone. So enjoy the lockdown. So don't go out please. Okay. Take care of yourself.